Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Asperia, and in today's video I want to tell you how many eggs I get on my farm. How do I sell these eggs? This is a video you should love. Just like it before we even go into it. Like it, leave a comment for me in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So for starters, I'm in my poultry house and I don't have a camera stand. So what I'm doing, I've put the camera up here, but I'm wearing an overall. People have been complaining, no, you don't wear relevant clothes in your farm. You put on dresses that are nice for church. So here I am in my overall. Do you see? Let me tilt this camera. Let me turn this camera. You see? This is an overall and I believe it's relevant. Now you guys, this poultry farming is very enjoyable, especially if you're doing layers. I love doing the videos here because out there it's too hot and the video quality is usually compromised when the sun is really too much. So coming in here, you will forgive me of the noise. And so if you're watching my video for the very first time, I have close to 240 birds on my farm, and that is what I chose to start with because I really didn't want pressure. I really wanted to see how farming works, how poultry works. I wanted to calculate this risk and be able to know that I will get profit out of it, and then I can grow slowly by slowly. I have really shared a lot about this poultry farm. And so today I don't want to overtalk. I want to tell you, in my farm here, I get close to 7 trays per day, and in a month I'm able to get close to 200 trays of eggs. And in total, that's about 6,000 eggs in a month. That is really a good number for a beginner. You guys, how 6,000 eggs look like? There are really many. There are many trays. But I want to assure you that all our eggs, come here. This one wants to be in camera. Okay, you come and they see you. She's there. I want to assure you that all our eggs are booked, and we have not struggled with market ever since we began this project. That's good news for you. If you are really aspiring to be a farmer, you need an encouragement like this. So how do we make it to get the customers to buy our products? Number one, we do quality. You guys, our birds started laying at the end of week 16, and we were very excited because that is what we expected, because we really did well during brooding and we were able to feed the birds correct feeds, and they started laying at a very good age. And so when they start laying, the egg size is really not so convincing to the customers, and by the time they started laying, there was scarcity of eggs in the market, and we were chanced to be among the people that had eggs, and that was very good for us. It was really very good because we were able to sell eggs even regardless of their small size. No one complained because there were no good eggs in market. I think birds were not laying by that time, and that was really good for the start. And so it made us to get customers, to bring our business to the customers and being able to tell them that we sell eggs. Apparently we don't sell small eggs like at the same price with the big eggs. We sort them, and I got that knowledge from my husband. He told me, you have to always make sure you give your customers good quality. So what we are going to do, you're going to select the eggs. We get the big size, we sell it at the normal market price, and the small sized eggs, we are going to cut the price by 3,000 Uganda shillings. Guys, that was a game changer. The moment we told people that we have eggs of different sizes and different prices, people felt like even us who are broke can be able to eat eggs, because that means we're selling a tray at 9,000 Uganda shillings, and half a tray is 4,500. So everyone was able to eat eggs in our village here because they were very affordable. They didn't know that was our trick, to let them know about the business. And as the birds continued to grow, the egg size also continued to increase, and that was a game changer because as the egg size increases, we also increase the price. We actually made it to be normal. We have always strived to always give our customers things at a very good price because we better take less profit, like enough profit than getting abnormal profits, yet you're cheating your customers. At the end of the day, when they discover other people that are selling cheaper products, they don't show up again. So we always made sure we reduce, even if by 100 shillings market price, and they were able to know that these people have very, very good eggs. Now, the good thing, our eggs were very sweet. They had very good yolks, and yeah, I will show you a picture here. They had kind of yellow yolks because of the feeds that we give them. If you've been watching my videos, I also incorporate local greens in my farm, and birds are able to eat and have very good yolks. So whenever people ate, they had a taste of almost a local egg. And because there are so many fake eggs on market, we were able to love our products, and they press their orders. Apparently all our eggs are booked, guys, and sometimes even lack supply because they are of very, very good quality. And I also use social media to market my products, especially now, like this wants to be seen in camera, which is so beautiful, because I cannot just be there chatting with you as my friend without letting you know that I have eggs. What are friends for? So I would text my friends, hey, I have eggs, would you support me? I just started a poultry farm, I really, and they were able to order the eggs, and I delivered them to the doorstep. I always made sure I deliver. Those who cannot reach a farm, I was able to always put them to their doorsteps and even to their shops. Those that are buying in bulk, I make sure I transport for them. So I just get a little profit. From my little profit, I get fuel and I take the eggs to the market, and someone is able to be like, hey, it is risky to transport eggs. Supposing I come on a border to buy and they get broken, will you pray for me at my shop? I'd be like, don't worry, I'm there. We did that. Hey, come here. We did that not because we really wanted a lot, not because we were making a lot of profits, but because we wanted to establish a market base so that at least by the time we normalize or stabilize the prices, we already have people who believe in us and our products, and the things will move on very well. So we have been able to thrive in this business regardless of the challenges that happen like any other business, but we are not struggling with market. So my fellow farmers who are watching me right now, if you have something you're selling, don't hide it. Tell your friends. When you go to the supermarket to buy ice cream for your children, tell that manager, guys, I have this and this. Because yes, they have to support you. You are supporting their business. They have to support you as well. So I was able to get the market for my products using those few tactics that I have shared. Then I also made sure I have customer care. There are some customers that are really annoying. Like you give them eggs, they will complain over even something small. So what I do, I clean these eggs. I don't sell eggs which have feces on them. If I've sold you those eggs, please, I'm sorry, but I know I don't do that. So I clean my eggs, I make sure I pack them well, but still you will not fail to get a complaining customer. So what I do, I always listen to their complaints. I always look for areas of improvement. If someone says, I was not satisfied the other time, the egg size, this other round I tell him, please, sorry, next time I'll try my best to satisfy you. So thanks to all our customers who embraced our project and supported us, and you're still supporting us. We can't wait to grow together and have a big fun together, guys. So I believe you found something helpful in this video. If that is so, click that subscribe button. Don't be selfish. Like and share it with your friends. Bye.